Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can delete and create Windows Recovery Partitions in Windows 11 or 10. So the Windows Recovery Partition is a hidden sections on your hard drive that contains recovery tools for troubleshooting and resetting Windows. If you need to delete or recreate it, you can just follow the step that I'm going to show you in this video. So first you need to check if you have a recovery partitions. You can just press on Windows plus X on your keyboard and then select the disk management. This one. And then you can just look for a recovery partitions. Usually 500 megabyte until 1 gigabyte. So if found not its locations, this or 0 or this one. So as you guys can see here, I think this one's right here. So you can just locate its location. And the next step is delete. You can just delete the recovery partition if needed. But you need to know that deleting the recovery partition means you won't be able to reset Windows without external media. So you can just press on Windows plus X again and go to terminal admin or command prompt admin. Click on yes. And in here, you can just type the following command and press enter to open this partition manager. So just type on this part, hit on enter, and then close disk. After that, you can just select this 0 and now please partition. Okay, and then select the partition 4. After that, you can just type in delete partition override, hit on enter again, and then tap on exit. Okay, after that, the partition will be deleted. So after deleting it, you can create a new recovery partition manually if needed. So that's all for me. In conclusion, if you want to delete the recovery partition, you can use this part, delete the partition override, and to recreate the recovery partition, you can use Windows Recovery Image or manually create a new partition and register it using region C. So that's all for me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.